Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, tonight our weather headlines calling for a threat of severe weather. Damaging winds will be the greatest risk we're going to have, but there could be a couple of isolated tornadoes later this evening and into the early morning hours of Saturday shortly after midnight. So the severe weather threat there greatest from about 10 p.m. through 3 a.m. Then we're going to have high winds behind this cold front on Saturday, and those winds could gust 45, 50, maybe 55 miles per hour, and then turning colder Saturday afternoon. Cold Sunday morning, we're down in the 20s, but we should see a lot of sunshine on Sunday. Our forecast this evening, some of those scattered showers, thunderstorms passing through the area. We'll be climbing up to around 60 with a warm front moving through, and behind the front, we should see temperatures climb into the 60s. During the evening hours, and then cooling off again later tonight after we get those thunderstorms moving through the area between 10 o'clock and 2, 3 in the morning, and then dropping into the 40s tomorrow with some showers developing in the afternoon. Now, it's still pretty quiet over the Dayton area in the Miami Valley, but we're seeing some rain coming in from the west, showers, thunderstorms. The good news is this area is diminishing, weakening a little bit as it moves northeast, so that's good. Our risk maybe of getting a severe thunderstorm warning or a tornado with this initial batch, pretty minimal. But nonetheless, there could be some thunderstorms moving through over the next 1 to 2 hours. That's not the main area we're concerned with. The one we're really watching is this situation developing out west. Right now, a very large tornado on the ground around Iowa City. Tornado warnings in effect eastern Iowa into Illinois, Missouri, north of St. Louis there. Tornado watches now up around the Chicago area, northwest Indiana, extending all the way down south into Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas. Mass casualty event reported around Little Rock, Arkansas. At least 600 injuries being reported with that tornado moving through there. And this cold front, these individual cells are going to turn into a line, and that'll push across the Miami Valley late this evening and overnight. There are the current tornado watches to the west, the orange areas inside there, severe thunderstorm warnings, and the red area indicating the tornado warnings. Our tornado risk, about a 2 to 5% chance here across the Miami Valley. Higher risk, obviously, to the west of us, where a little better conditions through this evening. But I was mentioning that line developing with that cold front, and that will bring the greatest risk to us of damaging winds. And that could be a widespread wind damage event all the way from Auglaize County down south to Cincinnati. The hatched area indicates the possibility, a 10% chance of winds of 70 to 80 miles per hour as that squall line comes through. So you can see about a 35 to 45% risk of damaging winds with that line later this evening. So that'll be our greatest risk, but there's still a low risk of a couple of tornadoes, minor risk of large hail, and flooding. That also looks to be on the low side. And then tomorrow we have a wind advisory in effect, gusts 45 to 55 miles per hour. So additional wind damage will be possible, along with additional power outages or slowing down the return of that power. With a warm front coming through this evening, temperatures will continue to climb up into the 60s, and then once the rain comes through, starts to cool off again later tonight, dropping down into the 50s. Right now, cloudy skies, Goodwill Auto Auction camera, and currently in Dayton, we're up to 57, a south wind at 15 miles per hour. Forecast tonight, we're going to see showers, thunderstorms, damaging winds, could be some isolated tornadoes. Overnight low 54, winds gusting to 35 miles per hour. A little sunshine around tomorrow morning, but then clouding up, some showers in the afternoon, windy and colder in the afternoon. Early day high 58, but we'll see temperatures dropping into the 40s later in the day. And a cold morning on Sunday down to 26, high 55 and mostly sunny. A chance of showers on Monday, 70 degrees with a warm front pushing in. We're in the 70s behind that front Tuesday and Wednesday. Could see some strong thunderstorms again Wednesday with cooler and drier weather after that. A lot of sunshine at the end of next week.